up early, gon' rise in the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey, let's see if Galaxy can build this castle. The obvious. All right, let's see. Progress. I see it.
I don't really have like everything, so that's why I'm just being creative and having windows.
That is the point of this STEM activity. Ooh, I think this is the winner. You looking like you got a castle over here. Let's go. Ooh, pretty. So you got a one little tower.
That one needs to go.
I was about to say you might have to lower this. You don't have to probably put no bottom on there. That's why you lose the pieces. If you don't put them,
if I don't put no bottom on
then
there,
it's gonna collapse.
easily just,
Collapse in. Okay.
If it moves, it won't.
Let's see.
I'm looking at this one because this one don't use like 3D and stuff.
You got, this spaceship looks cool too.
Yeah. All the
So wait, are you gonna make this part of this part or? Whoa! I forgot they magnets.
yeah,
My
that
bad.
part I'm go right there.
Okay. All right. Well, let me know when you're about to finish. Ooh, show big drip. Ooh, y'all see her braids though. I should have did a vlog on this, but she fly. BRB. Ooh, look who we have here. I know that's right, sis. She made her some little cars, little choo-choo, look like spaceship. Check out the.
This is a
All right. Now, what was the where was your strengths at when it came to this? You guys, your strengths. What was the best part of this creation?
probably the cars and the vehicles.
Okay. What was your challenges? What do you feel like was super hard and challenging around here? Oh, Geo, definitely. Being able to do this without your little baby brother,
Would probably be a lot easier.
you know what? But see what I'm saying? Oh, brother, the little brother. Oh my gosh, you see this? Choo choo. She made a train. Isn't that cool? You was breaking it. You can't break it. No. That's cute. Oh, no. Suavecito. All right. Not the castle. That was cool. All right, so we're gonna make a spaceship in 5, 4, 3, 2. Dang it! I thought it was gonna. Ah! Oh wait, actually, dang it! That was the base to the spaceship. All right, spaceship time. Alrighty. We officially made that rocket. Well, though, do me a favor though.
You can see inside of it. Check from the top. There's a block on the way. Because we needed it.
Oh, yeah, we needed it for stability. This is a cute little spaceship. Alright, so this is fun.
What is this? A clock?
Unfortunately, though,
We don't have enough pieces.
I can't believe they didn't give us enough pieces for anything. But Galaxy had the right idea. She said if we just keep it like this, nobody's gonna know. Nobody's
And I could just do a little piece of it where you keep inside.
gonna know.
Look, a clock tower.
A clock tower, like a cuckoo clock, but like the tall ones. But
I think we can actually make that.
alright, on your mark, get it set. Oh wait, do it slow. Let's see. Can we collapse it?
Wait,
Oh.
it's in the middle.
Looks like a building now. Yay! Whoa. Ready, set. What we gonna call you? The demolition team, because you like to destroy and not create, huh? Oh! Yeah! Y'all way too much fun. Oh! No babies were harmed in this video. Hey, are you ready to build the cuckoo clock? Say cuckoo clock. All right, good though. Say cuckoo clock.
The back it has an open space for
Comparisons. Pretty good at this, man. Pretty good at this. I like it. Stem activity. We should have took a picture of the rock. I took a video. We'll take a little screenshot. But that's cute. That was a success. You liked it? Alright, have fun with it. Smash it! Oh my gosh. Go though, you ready for smash time? Smash time!